Hello, today we will identify quadrilaterals. As you know, a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. First, we have a parallelogram. A parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. So this pair is parallel and this pair is parallel. Two pairs of parallel sides. Next is a rectangle. A rectangle has four right angles. It is also a parallelogram. Next, we have a square. A square has four right angles and all sides are the same length. It is also a parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are parallel and all of its sides are the same length. A rhombus is also a parallelogram. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So those are some classifications of quadrilaterals. Now give the Go formative a try and good luck.